Hello everyone. As you can see on the screen, a new Instagram story sticker is now available. It's a new WhatsApp sticker that you can add to your Instagram story. Anyone who views your story can click on this sticker to contact you directly on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Open Instagram and create a new story. Add your desired photo or video and include filters, effects, text, and other details for your story. Then, click on the sticker icon here. The new WhatsApp sticker should appear here. If you don't see this sticker, there could be a few reasons. First, try updating your Instagram app. If that doesn't work, the reason might be that you have a private, standard Instagram account instead of a professional account. Now, I'll click on the WhatsApp sticker. Next, you need to select this option here and add the phone number linked to your WhatsApp account. Another important point is that instead of a standard WhatsApp account, you need to have a WhatsApp business account. If you have that account like I do, enter your phone number and click Send Code. Open WhatsApp Business and find the message from Facebook Business. They've sent you a code to enter on Instagram. Go back to Instagram and enter the code. Here's the sticker. Position it where you want and share your story. When someone opens your story and clicks on this sticker, their WhatsApp app will open with a chat window to contact you. And that's it for this video. I hope the steps in this video were clear. If I helped you, support me with a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.